Oh wait, I didn't see you there. And welcome to our art installation where we took the colors you gave us to make this beautiful gradient effect across the middle school. Just in case you're curious, this first column represents Be Curious, one of our 5 Garrison Forest core values. Next up, we have Be Compassionate with, again, the colors you gave us. Wow! And here, right on the doors, the one you chose was the most important. We have Be Authentic, and if I may say, it's a rather authentic representation of it. And next, we have Be Brave, another one of our Garrison Forest core values, because Garrison Forest students need to be brave. And finally, in all of its glory, we have Be Spirited, because spirit.